In our last video, we introduced the RIB trifecta. Now, let's explore how these devices can work together in an HVAC application to accomplish a designed sequence of operation. Let's take a look inside the electrical panel for this unit and the control cabinet mounted to it. Inside, we'll see a power supply, controller, and some relays. When the power supply is turned on, the controller begins to boot. First, the fan is enabled. Then, a command is sent to the relay and the contacts close. The fan contactor switches on, and then the fan begins to spin. The current switch verifies status and lets the controller know it can enable cooling. The commands are sent to the cooling relays and the compressor contacts are switched on. Now the compressor is stage on and the current switches verify status. The controller displays the information and with the help of the trifecta continues to operate the rooftop unit so it can keep the building cool. Now that you've seen the trifecta in action, how do you plan on using this one-stop solution for American-made power supplies, relays, and current switches to save time and money on your next project?